Students, today we will learn the chapter factors. What do you mean by the factors? For example, let 6 have factors 1 into 2 into 3. These are 3 factors of 6, right? Similarly, 15 can be written as 1 into 3 into 5. These are the prime factors of numbers. But students, in this chapter we will learn the factors of algebraic expressions. In these chapters we will learn the factors of algebraic expressions. And you know, the algebraic expressions are examples: x cubed plus 2x square plus x. This x is a variables, and this type of you have already learned in polynomials. These are algebraic expressions, and as we know the prime factors of the numbers, as we will do the factors of this type of algebraic expressions in this chapter's factors. Okay, so first we should understand what the formula and basic thing we will learn in these chapters. Number 1 method, we will use taking out the common factor. Taking out the common factor. As we will use more method, we will use all of steps taking out the common factors. For example, x cube plus 2x square plus x. Now we can see here x power 3. In exponent we have already described about this, what is the meaning of base and index. Okay, so it means x is multiplied here 3 times, and 2 into x plus x. So we think here the power of x1 is in all 3 terms. So we can take this x common, this is known as common, and we use the multiply, it means we use the bracket, and what is the left here, that is x square, and what is the left here, that is plus 2 and x, and here what is the left, we take the common. We know 1 is hidden form, an exponent I have already told you, 1 is multiplied, 1 is divided, and 1 is power. So what is left here, 1. Okay, this way we are using here multiplied sign, it means this is the factor of these expressions. X cube plus 2x square plus x. Now factorize x into, in bracket, x square plus 2x plus 1. This expressions x into x I have explained to understand the topic. Okay, otherwise we can see the power 3, 2 and power 1. It means 1 power is we can take common. So 1 power is take common, here 1 power will be decreased, here is 2, here is 1, and here is 3 power, 1 power will be decreased 2. So without writing this step, we can go this step directly to these steps. This way you can using the factor taking out the common factor. Okay, so student, now we will learn the next method. we will learn the next method. That method can be using the pair method. In pair method, we will take the step pairing. This way we take the pairing. Pairing may be for one terms or two terms or more than two terms. In each pair we will take the common, as in first step we have to common and common, and all these three commons we will take again common. Okay, and then what is left, this bracket plus and this bracket and plus and this bracket. So this way we can use the multiplied. Now you can see the pairing will be must in this way, that in each pair something should be common, something should be common, and again common should be required. Again common will be there. If there is no again common, it means what with the pair you have make in the questions, that is wrong pair. So you have to change the pair correctly, then do this method. Okay, in each pair may be common or may be any formula, and in the next term we will describe about some formula. So in pair we can use the formula also, but the next pair, again pair, should be necessary so that we can find here the multiplied or factor. Okay, so using this phenomena we can try to do one factor. Now factorize a x minus y minus b x minus y. Now we can see here only one term where one whole bracket is common, so we can take x minus y common. What is the left here? A and minus b. So we no need to take the pairs, only there are two terms, so in one term, in second term we can take the common. But you can see in this example that p square x square plus c square x square minus ac square minus ap square. You can see here in all four terms, one term, second term and third term and fourth term, nothing is common in all, nothing is common in all. So here px, here cx, so p is not common. Here x, then here is not x, then x is not common. So first method, taking out the common, will not be can used here. So we should be understand the pairing method. Now this is first pair. In this pair we are checking that x square is common, and here is next pair. In this pair we can check a is common, a power a is common. Using first step, taking out the common, but we have to solve here the pair. Okay, in first pair we take the common in all, that is x square. So what is left here? P square. Now here is plus, and next here is left c square. So first part in pair is common, and we had find the factor here, but it is not complete. Now take the minus a common. Now it is left here c square, and if we are taking the minus common, we should understand the inside this sign should be changed. If it is minus, then it is plus, then p square is left. So student, you can understand that when minus will be common, then other sign in this bracket will be changed. If there is plus, this is minus, then it is plus. So now in pairing method we have already told you that again should be common. So we can see here this bracket, as in this example this whole bracket is common, as this bracket is common. Now this question is similar at this question. So we take the full bracket common, that is p square plus c square. And what is left here? In first term x square is left and minus in second term a is left. Okay, c square plus p square, or we can write p square plus c square is same value according to commutative law, 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. So this bracket is same, so we take the common this bracket and now it is factorized. X square minus a is left here. Okay, so student, this way we can use the questions. Now you can see that if we change the pair this and this, there is common. If we use this pair to this, there is something common? No. But if we use this pair to this pair, this is common, and use this pair to this pair, this is common. So we can change these questions again if we change the pair. Okay, what we can do? So student, we do another. Now we can do these questions in again in the changing the pair p square x square plus c square x square minus ac square minus ap square. Now we will do this pair with this one, p square x square minus ap square, and this two will this one plus c square x square minus ac square. Now we take this pair. In the previous board we have take this pair, but in this pair we have changed from this to this. So let us start. We can see taking the common again. So let's start. We take the common p square, and what is left here? X square and minus, so and minus a. So p square is common in this term, and here we can take the common c square. What we write here? X square minus a. So student, this way we can write. Now we have to check, is this bracket is again common? Yes, x square minus a, x square minus a is same, so this bracket is again common. X square minus a is common. What is the left in first term? P square plus in second term c square. So we can see it is again factorized, and answer is same. This bracket is this side or this bracket is this side, no problem, answer is same. So we can write answer this way. So pair method can be established here. So using this pair method we can go to next questions. So let us start. Next question: ax plus ay plus az plus bx plus by plus bz. Can you do this question? Okay. So we understand that this should be pair. In each pair a is common, and this should be pair. Okay, write the a common here. We get x plus y plus here from z, and again plus b can be common, so we write here x plus y plus z. Now you can see this pair is again common, so we can take the common x plus y plus z, and we get in this term, first term, a left is here and plus b. So now this is the factorize. So this is your answer. Now we do this question again. If now we'll changing these questions this way, that we have to change the pair. Okay, let ax with getting with bx, so that we can take the x common. Now ay with by. So we can get y common. Now az plus bz. So is this answer will be same if we change the pair. Let here common x, we get a plus b. Okay, now here is common y, so we get a plus b. Here is common z, so we get a plus b. Now a plus b, a plus b, a plus b is whole bracket is common in all term. So in first term we left here x, and in second term we left here is y, and here we get plus z. So this way answer we get, this is the factor, and this answer is same as this answer, but a plus b here, x plus y plus z is left and right, there is no problem in multiplication, so that's no problem for you. So you can do this type of the questions using pair method. Okay, so go through this method and we will try to do more method. Now student should try to be the more method. Okay, so go through this method, and now we already explained in algebraic some identities or some formula. We can say formula or we can say identities. Okay, let first, if we multiplied x plus a and x plus b, what we get here? X into x plus b plus a into x plus b, we get x square plus xb plus ax and plus a into b, ab. So if we use x square plus taking out x common, we get b plus a into x plus ab. So we can say if we use x plus a plus b, x plus ab directly in factor form, we can write x plus a, x plus b, or this way to write this way, or this way to write to this way. So this is your basic formula. Okay, so you have to learn directly this function, this formula. You have to learn this value. This should be learned by you. Now what happened if we use here x plus a into x plus a? So we can see the value of b is equal to a. Value of b is equal to a. So we will get here a and a. We will get here x square plus a into x plus a into a. So we getting here x square plus 2ax plus a square this way, and we can write here x plus a in exponent form 2. So x plus a whole square, we can write here x square plus 2ax plus a square. If ax plus b whole square, then x square plus 2ab plus b square. So using these identities, we can learn the next formula. Now what happened if x minus a and x minus a? So in this formula we write here minus a. So what is left here? X square plus 2 into minus ax plus minus a square. Now it will be x square minus 2ax, and minus square is even, therefore it is positive, that is a square. So this you have to learn this way, x minus a square equal to x square minus 2ax plus a square, right? Now what happened if only b is minus? Then we can use the next identities. If it is x plus a and x minus a, it means only b is minus. So we can write only b is as minus. So we can write a plus minus a, x plus a into minus a. So what is left here? X square minus plus a minus a, x, and minus into plus minus a square, and this is cancelled, therefore it is 0. So we can write x square plus 0x minus a square, or x square plus 0 minus a square, or formula is x square minus a square. So use directly x plus a, x minus a is x square minus a square. This is your next formula. Okay, so using these identities we can start out so many questions in factors form. Okay, now we will learn some more identities first. Okay, then we will do the next questions. Now you can see more identities this way: x plus y whole cube means x plus y whole square is multiplied by x plus y. So using the identities in previous, we have studied x square plus 2 into x into y plus y square and multiplied by x plus y. Okay, so multiplied by x into this, we will get x cube plus x into this 2x square y plus multiplied by this x y square and multiplied by plus y here plus y x square plus multiplied by this here 2x y square multiplied this here plus y cube. So we get here x cube plus y cube and here 2x square y, and same is 3. This is the like term, so 3x square y, and these are the like term, so 3x y square plus y cube. Okay, so you can see here, if we using x cube plus y cube in one bracket and 3xy, and here we can take the common x plus y, 3xy is common. Now if we can write here x cube plus y cube this side, so we can write x plus y whole cube minus 3xy x plus y. So you have to learn first the expansion of this step. This is your basic formula. Okay, and now if we go next step for this, first learn this formula. Okay, first learn this formula. This is the basic formula: x plus y whole cube plus x cube y cube plus 3xy x plus y, and x cube plus y cube. This is your another formula. This formula you have to learn very safely. You have to learn this. Now further the step we can use, taking the common x plus y here, what we left here, if we take the common x plus y, we will get x plus y whole square minus 3xy, and here we get x cube plus y cube. So now we look here, here is a prime factor. Now open this x square plus y square plus 2xy, and in previous already I have told in last board, so minus 3xy equal to x cube minus y plus y cube. So what we left here, x plus y, x square plus y square minus xy. This is the like term, 3xy and 2xy, so minus xy left here, so equal to x cube plus y cube. This is your basic formula as in the prime factor. Okay, So this is the basic formula. As in the prime factor, you can use this formula directly. So whatever the formula I have already told to you, you have to learn here. Now what happened if we write x cube minus y cube? It means we have put here as minus y. So formula will be x minus y, x square plus minus y square minus x into minus y. So now formula will be x minus y, x square minus square is plus, therefore y square plus minus into minus plus xy. Okay, so using here minus is minus into minus plus equal to x cube minus y cube. So this formula you have to learn. So this minus minus plus, so you can choose this formula. So this way, using the following identities, you can go through your answers, factors. The all identities you have to use whatever they described here. Okay, so remember it, and we will do the practice for these questions. So now students, after this, if we use this formula, let P want to be square of this x plus y plus z whole square. Now what will be the formula here? Let it is 1 x plus z. Now this is whole square. Now using the previous identities, a square plus, now this is that b square another factor plus 2 x plus y into y. So in the previous factor, if it is one term and second term whole square, you have already studied in this previous board. So we can write here x square plus y square plus 2xy, and this is y square. Now if we multiply 2y here, we get 2xy plus it is z, so it is z square, and it is z, so 2xz, this one is z square, 2xy plus z square. Now multiplied by this, we get 2xz plus 2yz. Now write in sequence, we get the formula, that is x plus y plus z square equal to x square plus y square. First write here z square, and then write plus 2 xy plus 2 yz plus 2 zx. This is the sequence to have to learn it, this formula. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This you have to learn the formula. Okay, so students, if we getting the more algebraic formula, now we will get the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. What will the formula of these equations? Okay, so try to be formulate it in factors using the previous factors. Okay, we can try to do these factors first. Now we will take this formula. Now we can write is x plus y into x square we will use this formula this way. X plus y whole cube minus 3xy x plus y. Now plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is the expandation formula. In the previous board you can check it. Okay. So now if we take this pair to this pair, what is here? X plus y whole cube plus z cube, and this will to this minus 3xy x plus y and minus 3xy z. Okay, now using again the factors formula here. Okay, now the factor formula a cube plus b cube in first bracket now in first bracket we use a plus z, and in second bracket x plus y whole square minus x plus y into z plus z square. Now we take the common from here, minus 3xy. So we get here x plus y in first bracket, and minus is common, so it is plus what is left here, z. Okay. Student, as you go through the next board and next board, first you have to learn the first board, then second board, then third board, then go to the next board. This will be understand. If you go through the previous board, then you can understand how we can use this formula. Okay, now again check this bracket, you can take again common. So what is left here? In this first bracket, take the common x plus y plus z. Okay, so what is left here? This and this. This bracket minus 3xy. So open this bracket, what we get here? X square plus y square plus 2xy. Now open this bracket, minus xz minus yz. Minus is here, sign will be changed, plus z square, and here minus 3xy minus 3xy. So what is the left? The formula x square plus y square plus z square minus xy. Here is minus xy minus yz and minus zx. So what is the formula of this? We get the formula is x cube. This you have to learn. So now the formula is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. What is the formula? That is in first bracket x plus y plus z. Okay, in second bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this way you have to learn the basic formula. Learn this formula: x square plus y x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z. This is prime factor. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now this you have to learn. Now if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then we get here x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0 into, since this bracket is 0, into this x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, means this all bracket is 0 multiplied by 0. So your new formula is, if this is 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, or we can say the factor of x cube plus y cube z cube will be 3xyz. So this you have to learn with this condition. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay, so student, learn this formula very carefully. So if condition is x plus y plus z equal to 0, then this is the basic formula. Okay student, so go through this all basic formula, then we can do some questions. So in our topic, the method of the factors, what was the method of the factor? First, common method. Second, pair method. Third, using identities, whatever the identities I have already told you. Okay, first method, common. Second method, pair. Third method, formulae, as already explained it. And next method will be perfect squaring method. Perfect squaring method. And fifth method, next will be, we will describe remainder theorem method. So student, to taking the factors, we use the common method already described, pair method already described, formula I have explained, and perfect squaring method and remainder method. We will let start from starting, so we can show you all this again. Now first method was taking the common method. Okay, now the second method was pair method. Okay, next, this we have already explained the pair method. Now that is the pair method. Okay, now this is the pair method. Now this is the algebraic formula, means using identities. Here is identities, here is identities, here is identities, and here is identities, here is identities, here is identities, and here is identities, and again here is identities. So now these all I have told you, this three method, formula or identities method. Now perfect squaring method and remainder theorem method, I have to explain it. But before explaining these two method, I want to do some questions. Okay, so the perfect squaring method and remainder theorem method will be explained by some examples. So I go through to the questions so that you can understand these all method. So now we will do some questions. Okay, to understand all this method, we have to solve some questions. So now start. One method is also left here, you can write here, one method is also right here, that is quadratic equation and pair. Okay, quadratic equations, we will use the pair method and we can solve this. So what is the quadratic method? These three methods I have to explain in the next board. First we have to do some questions and we will explain also quadratic equations. Okay, so now you can see here quadratic means if the power will be 2 1 0 as x square plus 2x plus 1. Here we can see power of x is 0 and power of x is 1, power of x is 2. That is the quadratic. Okay, or it can be 0 1 2, 2 1 0 or opposite 0 1 2 or just double or triple or more than 4. It can be this way, 2 1 0 or 0 1 2, or it may be double 4 2 0 0 2 4. Okay, it may be triple, cube 6 6 3 0 or 0 3 6. This way you can understand that this question is belong to quadratic equations. Okay, if the power of x or any bracket in this way, descending or ascending, 2 1 0 0 1 2 or 4 2 0 0 2 4 6 3 0 0 6 6, this way, then you can understand we are using the quadratic factors. Okay, so first we'll learn the quadratic factor. Okay, then we will do some questions. Okay, learn. Now factorize x square plus ax square plus bx plus c. So first we do product of a into c, we get p. Okay, product of this a into c, we get p. Now take the p as some other product so that either sum or difference is equal to b. First a into c, you have to take the product as p, and p could be write m into another product or a into c product, so that the sum or difference is equal to b. When will we take the sum? Sum should be when a positive and c positive, or both are minus, or minus a and minus a, means same sign, or then you can take the sum. If difference you have to take, then they are opposite sign, plus a and minus c, or minus a and plus c. If both are same sign, then you have to take the sum as b. If both are opposite sign, then you have to take the difference as b. Okay, the sign of this we should not take, we take the sign of this. If both are same sign a and c, then product sum will be, and if they are both opposite sign, the difference will be b. Okay, so student, give some example here. Now the examples here. Do the factorize of x square plus 5x plus 6. Now we can say 1 into 6 equal to 6, and 6 can be written as a sum because they are same sign, plus a and plus c. Okay, so we write this here, x square plus 5 as 3 plus 2x plus 6. Now open this bracket, we get plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Now take the pair. Pair method already have told. In each pair we have to take the common something, x plus 3, and here we take the common 2, x plus 3. Now recommon, again common. In pair method I already told you. So quadratic equations is nothing but it is when we describe this way, then we gives the pair method. So this way you are finding here the answer. Okay. So now what happened if here is minus 6? Then what happened? Then the question will be this way: x square plus 5x minus 6. So now we can see a equal to 1 is positive and c equal to 6 is negative. So we take the difference as 1 into 6 equal to 6. We can write 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So we have to take the difference. So we write here x square plus 6 minus 1x minus 6. So open this bracket, plus 6x minus 1x minus 6. Take the pair here. We can take the common x plus 6, and now minus 1 common, x plus 6. We already told you if you take the common minus, then sign should be changed. Now this pair bracket is common, as in the previous example we have already do x plus 6, x minus 1. This is your required answer. So this was the quadratic method. Okay. So using identities, using quadratic method, you can do so many questions, right? Questions. So student, now we will check the another questions using identities and using next method. So I will explaining you first perfect squaring method. Now factorize this: x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 11x square y square. Okay. So what we have to do here, we can recognize it is a perfect squaring method, then there should be power 4. Perfect squaring method. In this method we will recognize that it is 4, here is a 4. So what we do here, a square, and this is also y square. Write first plus 2ab, and subtract this 2ab. Now check this written here, minus 11x square y square. So this way first you have to write the step. Now check, if you take this pair and you take this pair, this will be minus 13x square y square. So it means it is not the square. Minus 13 is not the square. But you take this pair with this pair, it is minus 9x square y square. So minus 9x square y square minus 3xy whole square. So we write this bracket this way: x square whole square plus y square whole square minus 2x square y square and plus 2x square y square minus 11x square y square. Now this is the pair. So we can write this x square plus y square whole square and minus a square plus b square minus 2ab, and what is here, minus 9x square y square. Always there should be minus sign here. Here should be always minus, remember it. Now 3xy whole square. If here is not minus, then we cannot use the identities a square minus b square, x square minus y square, as in starting I have explained it. So in first bracket this will be add, in the next bracket this will be subtract. So what we left here, the answer is x square minus y square plus 3xy, x square minus y square minus 3xy. So your answer is, in first bracket, x square minus y square plus 3xy. In second bracket, x square minus y square minus 3xy. And again we have to write this in quadratic form, x square, then plus 3xy, then plus minus y square. Power 2x, power x 1, and power x is 0, and power 2 of y, power of y is 1, power of y is 0. It is quadratic. And again here we write it similarly, x square minus 3xy minus y square. Now we can use the quadratic equation also. 1 into 1, we have to multiply 1 into 1 equal to 1. Difference should be 3, so we cannot find it. Here is also 1 into 1, difference should be 3. We cannot find it. So it is your required answer. This is your perfect squaring method. Now student, the last method is, that is remainder theorem method. Remainder theorem method will be done, okay, but not now. It will be done separately. Okay, so we go through some questions and questions, so you can be understand so all method. Okay, so now go to the next questions. Now question, factorize x square minus a plus 1 upon ax plus 1. We can go through this. X square, open the bracket, it is already pairing, ax minus 1 upon ax. We can write here a upon a. One can be right there this way. Now take the pair here, take the pair here. We can take the common x minus a, and now minus 1 upon ax common, x minus this a will be left, this is common, so minus a. Okay, so we can take their common here, x minus a. We find x minus 1 upon a. This is your answer. Okay, so student, we will go to the next question. कितने टाइम की हो रही? So student, we will do the next question, one more questions here. Okay, so this way you can do some questions and questions. Let's do the following question. Let's do these questions. X to the power 12 minus y to the power 12. So we can first understand whole square formula. So we write here whole square formula. This already been in exponent. If you don't know this, you can understand in exponent chapters in my previous video. So in first we a plus b, and in second a minus b. Now here we can understand whole cube formula. Here again squaring formula. First you should be use squaring formula if it is using. Okay, now a cube plus b cube factorizes a plus b. Now second is a square minus a b and plus b square. Okay, now in here x square plus y square and x square minus y square. Now again we can use their formula, and we can use this. So what is we get? We get here x square plus y square, and second factor x to the power 4 minus x square y square plus y to the power 4, and here again factor x square plus y square, x plus y, and x minus y. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factor. So this way your answer Okay, so student, we will do more exercise according this, and factor theorem also we'll learn this in the next video. This is a very long video, so go through the first, and we will do more question and factors and more question on factors, and remainder theorem and factor method will be do the more in next video. Okay, thank you for this, and do the practice first, learn the formula, and then go to my next video. Okay student.